Welcome to the Cypress in Woodland Park. Not only are there amazing amenities in this Edmond, Oklahoma neighborhood, but on top of the amenities in the community, this floor plan has three really cool features in it that if you walk through, you might not notice. I'm going to point them out to you, and also I'm going to show you how you can save up to $100,000 in payments on this home. You heard me right. You'll also be able to save up to $800 a month off of your payments. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Feature number one that I want to point out is hidden right on the back side of the kitchen is this, the pantry of awesome sauce. Look at this thing. It just goes and 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 goes. I mean, this thing is gigantic. If one of your kids was misbehaving, I think you could lock them in here. They'd have food for a couple days. You could put a bed in there, a dresser. It's like a small bedroom. Check this thing out. All right, feature number two is this amazing landing space. The garage door is right there. You come in, I'm right off of the laundry room right here. But here's your, built-in space to just, kids can drop their stuff, hubby can drop their stuff. Everybody has a spot for their things. And then on top of it, storage upon storage. This goes way back underneath the staircase. There is so much storage in this space. I don't know what you're gonna do with it all. And last but not least, this game room upstairs is just amazing. Not only do you have this really nice sized game room, but on top of that, you have this bonus space. I like to call it the cubby of cuteness. Look at this little space right here. Your kids are gonna love putting a little, maybe a dollhouse goes in here. Maybe it's a Lego space for your son. You got so many options of how you could use the cubby of cuteness. I think this is one of the coolest features in this home. Now let me tell you about the financing that we have. We have the most incredible incentive we've ever done in the 36-year history of Shaw Homes right now. We are giving a $40,000 incentive on this home right now, which you can use to buy down your interest rate, pay your closing costs, or take it off the price of the home, or any combination of those. If you use it to buy down your interest rate, it's gonna save you about $800 a month off of this home, which over the life of the loan means you can buy a home that is $100,000 less than this, and you would have the same payment if it was a used home because you're gonna have a much higher interest rate. So you can get brand new at a higher price and have an incredible payment. Call us today. Let's get you into this home or any of our other move-in ready homes here in Edmond.